Did you know that tire-related issues cause nearly 11,000 accidents every year in the US alone? And the craziest part? Most of these could have been avoided with simple, routine maintenance. Tires are the only thing between your car and the road, yet so many drivers overlook the basics. But don't worry, we're here to help. In this video, we're breaking down the most common car tire mistakes people make and showing you how to avoid them, so you can drive safer and save money in the long run. Let's dive in. Number 1. Underinflating or overinflating tires. You might think tire pressure isn't a big deal, but trust me, it's one of the simplest ways to save money and avoid dangerous situations. Here's the thing. Underinflated tires don't just hurt your fuel economy, they cause uneven wear, making your tires wear out faster, especially on the outer edges. Plus, they overheat more easily, and that can lead to, you guessed it, blowouts. Scary stuff, right? But that's not all. On the flip side, overinflating your tires might make you think you're getting better mileage, but what you're really doing is creating a harsh ride. And let's not forget, overinflated tires wear faster in the center, giving you less traction when you need it most. To avoid these problems, grab a reliable tire pressure gauge, skip those cheap dollar store ones, and check your pressure at least once a month, or before any long trips. And don't just eyeball it if your eyes aren't calibrated in PSI. Always go with the manufacturer's recommended pressure, which you'll find on the driver's side door placard. Keeping your tires properly inflated isn't just about avoiding costly replacements, it's about keeping you and your family safe on the road. Number 2. Not balancing tires properly. You might not notice it right away, but driving on unbalanced tires can cause more problems than you'd think. Here's what happens. When your tires aren't balanced, even small weight differences can lead to vibrations while driving. Over time, this uneven motion wears out your tires faster and not evenly. Either you're looking at patches of bald spots or cupping that'll force you to replace them sooner, but it doesn't stop there. Those vibrations also strain your suspension and steering components, meaning expensive repairs down the line. It's like skipping your morning coffee and expecting to be fully functional. Things just won't run smoothly. The good news? It's an easy fix. Tire balancing is something most mechanics will do during installation or rotation, and it's not expensive. If you've recently hit a nasty pothole or noticed your car vibrating at certain speeds, it's probably time to check the balance. Number 3. Mixing tire types. It might not seem like a big deal to have different brands, models, or even types of tires on your car, but let me tell you, it can lead to all kinds of trouble. Tires are like a team. They're designed to work together. Mixing summer tires with all-season tires, or even using mismatched tread patterns, creates uneven performance. Think about it. One set of tires might grip the road better while the others slide, especially in wet or icy conditions. That means less control for you and a higher chance of losing traction when you need it most. But it doesn't end there. Uneven tires also mess with your car's handling, braking, and even fuel efficiency. Imagine trying to run a race with one sneaker and one hiking boot. It's just not going to work as well as it should. Always use the same type of tire on all 4 wheels, or at the very least, match them per axle. Check your vehicle manual for the recommended type and stick to it. Number 4. Overlooking seasonal tire swaps. One mistake a lot of people make, often without realizing it, is overlooking seasonal tire swaps. Let me ask you this. Would you wear flip-flops in the snow or heavy boots on a summer beach? Of course not. But that's exactly what you're doing when you stick to one type of tire year-round. Tires are designed for specific conditions, and using the wrong type can lead to poor performance, reduced safety, and faster wear. For example, summer tires get hard and lose grip in cold weather, while winter tires wear out quickly in hot conditions and don't handle as well. It's not just about performance. It's about safety, too. Winter tires are made with special rubber compounds and tread patterns to grip icy and snowy roads, while summer tires are optimized for dry, warm conditions. Using the wrong tire in extreme weather can lead to longer stopping distances, less traction, and an overall less secure driving experience. Here's the solution. Swap your tires based on the seasons. Use winter tires when temperatures consistently drop below 45 degrees Fahrenheit or 7 degrees Celsius, and switch back to summer or all-season tires when it warms up. And don't forget to store the off-season set properly to keep them in good condition. Number 5. Failing to inspect tires for damage. Tires take a beating every time you hit the road. They roll over potholes, curbs, sharp debris, and more. Even a small cut, bulge, or embedded nail can lead to a blowout at the worst possible time, putting your safety and your wallet at risk. The worst part? A lot of this damage starts small and goes unnoticed until it's too late. Regular inspections are your first line of defense. Take a close look at your tires at least once a month or before long trips. Check for cracks, punctures, bubbles, or any unusual wear patterns. And don't forget to inspect the sidewalls. This is where bulges often appear after hitting a pothole or curb. If you see any damage, don't ignore it. A small puncture might be repairable, but larger issues like sidewall damage usually mean it's time for a replacement. Number 6. Buying cheap or used tires. Tires aren't cheap, and when you see a bargain on a set of used ones or a no-name brand, it can be tempting. But here's the problem. You get what you pay for. And with tires, that means quality, safety, and durability. Used tires might look fine on the outside, but you have no idea how they've been treated. They could have hidden defects, uneven wear, or internal damage that you can't see with the naked eye. And those off-brand, cheap tires? Sure, they're new, but they often lack the same level of testing and quality control as reputable brands. That can lead to reduced performance, quicker wear, and worst of all, safety risks, like poor handling or blowouts. Always invest in quality tires from trusted manufacturers. Yes, they'll cost more upfront, but they'll last longer, perform better, and keep you safer on the road. If you're on a budget, look for discounts on reputable brands, or consider financing options. Many tire shops offer payment plans. Number 7. Using the wrong tire size. You might think a tire is a tire, but the size really does not matter a lot. Tires are specifically designed to match your car's weight, handling, and performance needs. Installing the wrong size might seem harmless, especially if it fits, but it can cause a whole range of issues. For starters, it can throw off your car's speedometer and odometer readings, mess with your fuel efficiency, and even compromise safety by affecting how your car handles, brakes, or grips the road. For example, larger tires might look cool, but they can rub against the wheel wells, wear out faster, or put extra strain on your suspension. On the other hand, smaller tires can reduce ground clearance and mess up your car's stability. So always stick to the size recommended in your vehicle's owner manual or the tire placard on the driver's side door. If you're considering an upgrade or a different size for performance reasons, consult a professional first to make sure it's compatible with your car. Number 8. Ignoring tire replacement warning signs. Tires don't last forever, and the signs of wear and tear are your car's way of telling you it's time for a change. But here's the problem. Too many drivers push their tires past their limits, thinking they can squeeze out a few more miles. This is a recipe for disaster. Worn-out tires lose traction, especially in wet or icy conditions, and significantly increase your stopping distance. Bald tires are also much more prone to punctures and blowouts, putting you and everyone on the road at risk. So, what should you watch for? The easiest indicator is your tire's tread depth. If the tread is below 2/32 of an inch, it's time for new tires, no exceptions. Most modern tires also have built-in tread wear indicators, small bars that become visible when the tread is too low. Other warning signs include visible cords or steel belts, cracks in the sidewall, or a tire that can't hold air properly. The solution? Don't wait. Check your tires regularly and replace them as soon as you spot these warning signs. Number 9. Not rotating tires regularly. Here's the deal. Your tires don't wear evenly. The front tires, for example, usually handle more weight and stress because they carry the engine and do most of the braking and steering. Over time, this causes them to wear out faster than the rear tires. If you're not rotating them, you're setting yourself up for uneven wear, which means shorter tire life and more frequent replacements. Think of tire rotation like flipping your mattress. It helps distribute the wear evenly, so all 4 tires last longer and perform better. Ideally, you should rotate your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles, or whenever you get an oil change. The type of rotation pattern depends on whether your car is front-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, or all-wheel drive. So check your owner's manual or ask your mechanic. Skipping this step might save you time now, but it'll cost you more in the long run when you have to replace tires prematurely. Number 10. Ignoring tire alignment. The car's alignment ensures the wheels are angled correctly relative to each other and the road. When it's off, even slightly, it can cause your tires to wear unevenly and much faster than normal. For example, if your car pulls to one side or your steering wheel isn't centered when you're driving straight, that's a sign your alignment is off. And the consequences? uneven tire wear, poor handling, and lower fuel efficiency, not to mention the strain it puts on your suspension and steering components. Ignoring alignment issues is like walking with one shoe untied. You're putting unnecessary stress on your car, and it's going to cost you. If you notice any of the warning signs, or if you've recently hit a pothole, curb, or been in an accident, get your alignment checked. It's also a good idea to have it checked as part of regular maintenance, typically every year or whenever you replace your tires. Proper alignment not only extends the life of your tires, but also makes your car safer and more comfortable to drive. If you found this video helpful, then do not forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends to make sure they are also aware of this.